This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn fundamentals to calculate percentage in Excel. Percentage is a fractional ratio in which the value of whole is always 100. Percentage is defined as a given part or amount in every 100. It is a fraction with 100 as the denominator. Calculating percentage means to find the share of a whole in terms of 100. Firstly, I try to make two columns and name them Total Score 2021 and Total Score 2022. These columns are sum of scores of 2021 and 2022 respectively. After creating percentage columns, we should calculate share of a whole in terms of 100 for every student. In fact, we consider a score as a numerator and total score as a denominator. Then use percentage style on the Home tab or use Ctrl+Shift% to calculate percentage. Finally, I try to calculate percentage of variation for every single student. A percent variance presents the proportional change in an amount from one reporting period to the next. Thus, it shows the change in an amount over a period of time as a percentage. The percent variance formula is current period amount minus prior period amount over prior period amount. As you can see, percentage of variation is calculated for all students in the last column. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.